Hi guys. I'm I'm overhauling the engine for VW Polo CLS engine. So which is just want to show you where is the direction for the Conrod, where the Conrod is supposed to face, especially when you change the piston. When you change the piston, uh, normally you don't know where the direction is supposed to be because especially on the original of the piston doesn't show the arrow. It doesn't have the arrow. As you can see, there's no arrow where it point where it's supposed to be. So normally, like I bought a new piston, which is what happened is I did repair the cylinder head because it was damaged on piston number 2. So end up repairing to 20,000. But now the challenge is, if you don't know where the Conrod direction is, I'll show you guys. It's easy. This is 20,000. It's 1.6 engine. Okay, right. Let me tell you. Okay, let me pick up one of the piston where maybe, yeah, it's clean. So because of that, the M2 really became you see on the Conrod, let me just, yeah, so you can see clearly. You see this number, it's number 89. This 89, it's supposed to be on this side where there is a big hole, as you can see where I put my finger. This is where the direction is supposed to be. For an example, as you can see, this Conrod. Show you the Conrod. Let me show you the Conrod. The Conrod. Yeah, as you can see, where I've pointed, it's facing the direction on piston number 1, especially where there is we do the timing where there is a chain. This is where it's pointing, not on the side of the gearbox. This direction it's facing. So meaning, if you do it like this, okay, let me just hold it like this, where there is 89, if you can see 89, let me just hold it like this and twist it like that. Yes, right. Put the arrow is facing. This is how it's supposed to be, as you can see. All right, thank you guys. Can like my channel if it help. Thank you. Cheers.